CY38.
Detail World, what it do, what it do, man. We out here finna get it cracking, man. Another beautiful day. But right now at the moment it's drizzling, been drizzling and raining for the last few days. But right now we only got 3 appointments, I believe, probably 4 cars, if that. So we finna get ready and hop in the van, head to the first destination, get it cracking. So I hope whatever you got going on today, you can accomplish it too. If not, don't rush, don't panic, it will get done. So on that note, y'all already know, man, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If not, you already know what you gotta do. Just do it eventually, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. Peace. Detail World, what it do, man. We've made it to this first stop out here, Burton Hills, Green Hills, Nashville, Tennessee. And when it's the first car of the day, which it wasn't the first appointment of the day, other people canceled due to the rain because it was raining yesterday and today. But right now, we just finished this Ford Escape. Got the car looking amazing, looks good. She had a bunch of stains on the seats, and we got all the stains up for her. So if you look how the seats came out, they look immaculate. So she definitely gonna be happy with the work, and the interior of the car actually smells amazing too. So I'm finna let her know we done so she can go ahead and come out and get paid. I mean, I can get paid. And my next stop probably about 5 minutes from here. So I'm about to go ahead and pack up the van and get to where I need to be. But you already see, got the car looking immaculate, amazing. Like I say, she's definitely gonna be enthused with the work because we take so much pride over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. So like I always tell you, man, take pride in whatever you got going, man. Remember, determination builds characteristics. You don't need eyes to have a vision. So just consistently do what you need to do, and you will make those strides in life that you want to. So I'm gonna go ahead and park it, and I'm gonna catch up with y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail World, what it do, y'all. We done made it to the second appointment, and we actually got the appointment completely finished. We already knocked it already out. We got here probably about an hour ago, but just trying to stay on time. So I got here, hooked up all the equipment, and just started on the job. So excuse me, yawning, but we got the whole car looking good. He's definitely gonna be enthused with the work. Like I said, this has been a new customer. I think I picked up his services right at the end of the year, and they've been kind of consistent with me. So we got the car looking well. You see, you got a vacuum real good in there, right down all the plastic and chrome and things of that nature. But car already parked, don't need to park it. All I just need to do is lock it up, let them know we done. Head to my next stop. It's probably about 20-25 minutes from here. So that's what I got to deal with. But on that note, y'all continue to be great. I'm going to be great. We're going to be great together. And I'm going to catch you at the next one. Peace. Detail World, what it do, but the motivation in my voice is down. On my way here, Betsy started misfiring, and I'm literally 20-something miles from the crib, and that's kind of scary, man. So I'm gonna make it to the crib, stop at a AutoZone, see which one misfiring, and just get the car tuned up, man. I hate that that's happening to my van, because this is my money maker. That's the money maker, man. But right now we out here in Pleasant Grove, man, and right now we're doing a Toyota Tundra. It's a little dirty, man. Got a little dog hair. Haven't done this truck in about a year or so. So right now we getting it cracking. You see the wheels, pretty dirty, things like that. We probably got 1 or 2 more cars here, man. But I'm finna go ahead and finish my job, because I ain't trying to be out here where it start getting dark and my van acting crazy like this. But y'all go ahead and continue to be great. Y'all see y'all the stuff on the side of the seat. Y'all continue to be great. We're gonna be great together, man. And hopefully, man, I'll get my mind up off this car, because you know, stuff like that can really stress you out, man. Especially being as far as I am from my house. But y'all already know, continue to be good, and good will be good to you, man. And drop 1 O, and y'all know how that go. And I'll catch y'all in a minute. Peace. All right, Detail World. Finally got this Toyota Tundra done. Got the whole car completely done. In and out. Car was pretty dirty. Took us about an hour and a half to get it done, like I said. And we about to go ahead and let them know we done. Go ahead and drive home. Probably about a 30-minute drive from home, man. So I gotta drive pretty slow because, like I say, the van misfiring kind of got me stressed the hell out. But lucky I got a mechanic who can come fix the van. That's a blessing. I'm gonna give you a quick glimpse of the interior of the van. I think I already did, of the truck. But I'm just show you, it's still cleaning the interior. But we about to go ahead and do what we need to do, man. Continue to be great. And I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man. We right now finna work on this Audi. Finna go ahead and work on the exterior first. Go ahead and wash it. Get all this dirt off the exterior. You see it right there, how dirty it is on the doors. Wheels look real dirty. So we're gonna go ahead, make sure we do the job efficiently. We already took the mats out because we spray these down. See how dirty those are too. So like I said, we're gonna go ahead and start with the wheels. We already got the wheel bucket, which we call the low bucket, and then the other bucket is for the high bucket. But as you see, door jambs need to be hit too. It's pretty dirty in here. So we're gonna go ahead and do what we gotta do. The other car right there, I think he want his wife car done, but it depends on when she get here because it's already getting a little late. But I'm gonna go ahead and do what I have to do. Y'all keep it positive. That negativity won't get you nowhere, man, but negativity. And I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man. We done finally got this Audi done. Took us about an hour and probably about 20 to get it done. Luckily, it's a smaller car. Unlike that truck right there, a little bigger. It's a little bit more stuff to clean in there, but we got the car completely done in and out. Had dog hair everywhere, footprints, dog prints, mud, things like that, but we got the car looking good. He should be definitely enthused with the work and things like that. Because, like I tell y'all, we take so much pride in everything we do. So when you take pride in what you do, like I tell y'all, man, it's not considered a job, it's just you doing you. But I'm gonna go ahead and park it, get paid, let y'all know. But like always, man, stay dedicated, stay consistent, stay persistent, and remember, man, you gotta stay dedicated, and you gotta stay dedicated, man, because once you stop, it's over, man. But like always, remember, self-love is everything, man. You gotta love yourself. And on that note, I'm gonna catch y'all at the next one, man. Peace.
I was on YouTube. Watch TY 38.